Hello friend, I am Anjali. This is my YouTube channel. So welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we talk about the fluency, like how to get the fluency. And second thing is that what kind of tips we can follow to get the fluency. Okay. So further delay, we come on our topic. Our topic is that if you tap this video, I know you are learning purpose, you are learning this language, and you are hunger to speak this language. And friend, believe me, 99% people wants to speak English in India. Okay, but we can't say everyone can speak English, because everyone can read the English, everyone can write the English, but if I talk about the speaking, they can't. Why? Friend, lack of the practice. They don't want to do the practice. And if you want to learn any language, you will have to do practice on that. You will have to do merge yourself to in that language. Okay, you will do the hard work, then you will only gain the success. Without doing the practice, you shouldn't to think about you will be speak English ever. Okay, I'm going to give you one example, friend. Example is that, like, if you think about, you want to swim, and you don't swim, and you just see the river, and where people are swimming. Okay, and you think, I saw the river and the people are swimming, and I will be swimming in one day. It can't happen, friend. It will be not happen. It will be not happen ever. Okay, so first thing is you will have to do swim. You will have to do come into the water and swim. I know, friend, you can't able to swim a one day, might the second day. And also, when you will swim in one day, you can swim properly. So as that, like that, friend, you if you want to speak English, you will have to speak English. And first of the thing, friend, if person think about, like, if I speak this language in my mind, and I just think about this language, and I will be speak English language, I speak this language of one day, it will be not happen also. Because you will have to come out from your comfort zone. You will have to leave your comfortable zone. Friend, if you speak English in your comfortable zone, if you do practice in your comfortable zone, after, when you have to face uncomfortable zone where you have to speak, and your mind, that time your mind will blank. Okay, you can't find the correct word in that. Then you will think about it, like, I'll have to leave my comfortable zone. That is the reality. So that's why I'm not saying to go outside and do practice with the strangers. No, it not like that. It will be not happen. First thing is that you will have to talk with your family. I can understand in India, everyone family is not speak English, because this is not our first language. This is our second language. Okay, you keep in your mind, this is our second language. So we should to do more effort on that. And sometime you will translate. It will be okay. I'm not saying translation is bad, because initial day, if you will be translate Hindi to English, it will be okay. It will be acceptable. Okay, but first you should to speak with your family. As, like, you can say, I'm not saying you are speaking with your family properly, and they will not say, like, they will not saying anything. Because I know in Indian people has own opinions, but don't think about the opinions, because they are your family, and they will be understand after some day you are doing the practice. And just do. I'm not saying you whether you are saying wrong, whether you are saying right. Just speak whatever you speak. As like I'm give you the example. This is the earbuds. I purchased this earbuds from Flipkart. I ordered this earbuds from my father's phone. This is the black color earbuds, and I use this earbuds every day to watch videos. And this is very useful for me because this helped to me learn this language. Okay, so I can say it like this. And if you are working person, if you don't have the too much time to do spend on this language, so you can do simply one thing. If you go in your office, and you can, if you even you have the pen in your office, so you can say in your mind, you should to prepare your mind to aware this language. So you should just take this pen and say, I'm opening this pen, I'm using this pen, I'm writing with this pen, this pen is very smooth. And then you can say, I'm closing the tab. Okay, this is simple method you should to use. And in 1 month, around in 10 days or 20 days, you will be see the difference to your fluency. And also friend, I'm going to talk about the shadowing practice. I know if you are learning this language, you maybe heard about this word. And everyone talk about the shadowing practice. Okay, so I'm also give you this, I'm also give you this tips. You will have to must do shadowing practice around 20 minutes. It will be okay for you. Okay, what will you do? You just put on your phone and search whatever video you are watching these days. Okay, just take the video and see in the video, like actor, what kind of act they are doing. They say that, like they say any dialogue, and you should to pause the video, and you should to do same thing, like same mimicry. As I'm going to give you the example. For example, I am the actor, which is you are choose the video, you choose the video to doing the shadowing practice. Okay, so I say, how are you? Okay, how are you, what are you doing? Okay, you just should to stop the video, and just you should to say, how are you, what are you doing? So same thing you will have to repeat again. This is the shadowing practice. When you listen this practice, you should feel very ordinary, like this is not a very big deal, this is very ordinary practice. But you will be, when you will do the practice, you will be see unrealistic difference to your fluency, which is I am getting with this tips. And this method is do very helpful for me. Okay, and how to, like, if I talk about my fluency, friend, you won't believe it, I just take this fluency in a 1 month. you know Friends, I don't know how to explain you, like how would I do these are things. Because before 1 month ago, I have done the job, I did the job, I don't had a time to do any practice about English and anything. But keep it in my mind, I should to learn this language. And after 1 month, I have some health issue. Okay, so I'm in my home, I'm not doing anything. So I'm not the person who live in the home and not doing anything. So that's why I thought about I should to learn this language. This is the time, and I take this thing the positively. Because if I will be a not sick, so I don't have to get the time to speak this language, to learn this language. So I'm very thankful to God. I am ill and I'm doing the practice. Okay, and don't hesitate with the people. And I'm going to give you in the description box two apps where you can do your practice. There is the voice app, and you can do practice with them. And don't hesitate to make the mistake. Make mistake is the part of the learning. Okay, when you will make mistake, and you will make mistake and the front of the people where you are doing practice on app, they will they will make you, they will correct you. And I'm also feel very much happy if anyone's correct me, and he says you should not to use this word here, instead of that you should use this word here. It will be a sound very clearly, and it will be sound like realistic. So it will be very helpful me, and also it will be helpful for you also if you do the practice same way which is I'm saying to you. Okay, so you will have to do practice every day, and you will have to do speaking practice every day. You can speak whatever you want. You just watch the video and do shadowing practice, and do what tip I have already told you about, like you can take anything in your home, whatever you have, you can do practice. And if you are doing the job, you can find anything to do the practice. Okay. And friend, this if I do this thing, if I can speak English in 1 month only, so how can you not think about like you will be not speak English? If I has the time to speak this language, you will also have a time to speak English in the future. But whatever you want to do, friends, you will have to do a hard work, you will have to do practice, and you will have to do come out from your comfortable zone. Don't think if you will live in your comfortable zone and if you speak language, friends, like maybe you should speak English, like you will be speak English in your comfortable zone. But at the time whenever someone is come front of you, you will feel hesitate, you can't speak properly, your mind goes blank. Okay. So you will have to do practice, and it will be work for you. And thank you for watching my this video, and we will meet again. And take care of yourself. Bye bye.